Welcome back. As I said before, I was at Cedar Woods and I found someone to talk to. His name's Stuart and he's sitting right behind me. Stuart.
Great to be here, Peter.
Thanks for talking to me. Now tell me about Cedar Woods. What's its history? Where did you come from?
Well, we've been going 25 years. Started off in Perth and 10 years ago opened an office in Melbourne.
Cracked it over east.
Yeah, the company is a diversified and national property player. My focus is the WA business.
Okay, what's in the portfolio? How broad is it?
We've got a great range of product in Perth and more recently we've expanded into Geraldton and the Pilbara. The thing that we offer all of our customers in our communities is affordability, quality and sustainability.
So if you have a main focus at the moment, what is that focus?
Focus at the moment is growing the business and delivering award-winning projects. And I'm pleased to say that in our 25 years we have won a number of awards with our projects.
And these projects are mainly residential?
Mainly residential, although there is a fair spread across the portfolio. And residential property covers a number of different product types. So we offer apartments on the beach in Rockingham, right through to master plan communities in Baldivis and even canal properties in Mandurah.
Which is where you're going to take me.
I'm looking forward to that.
Oh, I can't wait to go down. Do we get boards? We take our boards with us. Is there surf?
There's surf down there, there's lots of water sports. I guess that's the thing that makes it so appealing to our customers. They feel like they're on holiday every day.
Yep.
And we'll certainly see that when we go down there today.
Crabbing, you love crabbing?
Love crabbing, boating, fishing. The ideal thing about Mandurah is you've got that mix of nature, waterfront lifestyle, and all the conveniences of the city just minutes away.
Hold the phone. I'm excited. We'll get back to that. But first, here's Dan. He's at Finbar's Springview Towers. Go, Dan.